Welcome, this is Neco yet and it's English test of oral past question number 32. So we are still using the same instruction. We say we should look out for the word that rhymes with the given word, and the given word here has two pronunciation with two different transcription. It is pronounced as leaf with short e sound when it is a verb, leaf. Then one can also pronounce it as life. Let's say life. Then this is verb. Then here it is a noun. The same word having two different pronunciation. There, as a result of the grammatical class it belongs to at that point. That's why they say there are two ways to this. So now, we have to look out, and the problem we have here is that the examination body did not indicate if it is a noun or verb, and we must have seen something like this in jam past question. So it is better for us now to transcribe this word to find out among the options the one that has related or that rhyme with any of the above. Option A is pronounced as a-kref. Yes, long a, yeah. Tref. The option B is pronounced as leaf. Long e, yeah. Option C is pronounced as laugh. Option D is pronounced as rye. Option E is pronounced as sieve. So if you look at option D has I in its transcription and pronunciation. Then option the given word in its noun form has I sound. That's it. In its noun form it is pronounced as life. So it means that the given word here is a noun, not verb. Take note of that. So by this, option D is correct. So our correct answer is rye, which is option D. Thank you and God bless you. And ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.